Feature management is one implementation of machine as a service that we find particularly exciting. It really speaks to the ability to embed capabilities on an asset that a customer can utilize at any time over the asset's life cycle. Often it gets compared to Tesla's ability to upgrade the range on their existing hardware in the field, where they build in the cost of that in every unit shipped, understanding that a certain percentage of their customers will in the future need that increased capacity and pay for it at that time. We think there's a tremendous opportunity for people to think about this same kind of business model as it relates to machinery sales. Today, manufacturers often have a low-end machine, a mid-range machine, and a high-end machine. But the cost of producing those machines doesn't vary that much because much of the features and capabilities are software derived. Yet building and developing and designing that software, there's a tremendous amount of sunk cost in that you need to recover. The incremental cost to deploy those features on every machine and create a path to update those machines in the future is a really exciting proposition for people that are investing in advanced technology in manufacturing.